future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, 'cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top.
My name is Aptes Enareng. I'm from West Karo Hills. Today we win a gold medal. We excited to win at this match. We are proud to be West Karo Hills and we are gold medalists.
This is the first time.
Yeah, it's my first time to play a Mod Poi and it's a great to me.
Anga pengcar sama nga laki macam ya 6 Meghalaya Games tu traditional sports ko bakal naik bahar laki macam ya no mau point ba anjing 7 stone itu khala uno bakal ha laki na cuma silver medal ko mani cia ha kela.
We are the future.